Well, hello YouTube. Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, hit that notification bell over there so you know when we put up a new video. Alright folks, so today we've got a couple new shop cards in. Then we got some update on the MPC 1972 GTO build. Pretty much we're into final assembly. I got a couple things I need to detail paint. But yeah, I'll turn you around here and show you something. Hey, look there. That's Jason of Blue Ox Model Shop. Just happened to have his card in there. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate you, buddy. And thank you for the kind words on the back. That's a pretty sharp card there, buddy. I like that 55 Chevy. That's a good looking car. But if you're not subscribed to Blue Ox Model Shop, check him out. He's got some killer builds. Subscribe to him and you may like, you'll like what he's got. And then we've got Plastic Buzzard Model Shop. Thank you for all the kind words on the back there, Thomas. Appreciate you. If you're not subscribed to Plastic Buzzard Model Shop, go check him out. He's got some good content, great builds. May have something there you like to watch. So go check him out, give him a subscribe, and like, and share him. But here we are on our 72 GTO. We've got the glass in it, the grill and the headlights in. Got our dash painted up. Tail lights in the rear bumper ready to go. Got our seats done. Just doing a few other things to the engine. Got to do a little detailing on the steering wheel. Do a little detail on the firewall. And then it's just about ready to go completely together. I'm still digging the paint, man. I like the color. I didn't like the color at first, really, when I first sprayed it on. But after I cleared it, that's a cool looking color. But like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. We love reading your comments. Like I said, hit the old notification bell. That way you know when we put up a new video. And don't y'all forget, at 400 subs, we're doing another giveaway. I have to look and see, but I think we're at 372 right now. So, must be subscribed to the channel, live in the United States, lower 48, or Hawaii to enter. Hopefully, though, the next time I do another giveaway, we'll have it where it won't matter. We'll take and do a gift card to like Amazon or something like that. Or just take and ship through Amazon. That way maybe it won't eat up as bad in shipping and stuff like that. So, but you know what I say. Love what you do. Drink coffee. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.